SNPW Talk with Trista, and I have a special guest, my friend Katie. And she was at the show with me, which was last night, whenever we're recording these on Sunday, so it was February 6th, last night. Well, let's see. How'd you think of your first show? That's what I want to know.
To be honest, why didn't you take me sooner?
This was her first SNPW show she's been to. And
it was amazing. Like,
see?
I enjoyed myself a lot. It was really great.
This is why you guys need to go. Like, alright. Well, let's get started. There was so many great shows that went on last night. And the one highlight of the match we're going to do today is of the Dragon and Alexxa Flood. Now, you remember that match, right?
Yes.
Alright. What'd you think of it?
Dang.
Ugh. Her faces were
that got a little intense. I was like, dang.
Right? Like, alright, well, we won't spoil anything until you guys watch it. Well, as you guys know, the Dragon is, of course, as people call him, the weird guy in the mask. But he's awesome. I mean, he's really cool. And then Alexxa Flood is one half of the Bitch Squad, which that's also with Tyler Kent. Yeah. Well, we'll just let you guys watch it. And also, around the ring, Tyler Kent valeted for Alexxa Flood, and then the lovely Jay Valentine was with... Sorry, my throat hurts, but Jay Valentine was the valet for the Dragon. Alright, well, we'll let you guys watch it, and, well, here you go.
Yeah.
So what do you guys think of that? I mean, sadly, once again, Alexxa won. But did you see how she won?
Yeah.
Like, you saw it, right?
That was BS.
That's just how it happens, I guess. And of course, as they were saying, you know, look down her shirt. Ref couldn't do that, of course. But you see, she had that chain. I mean,
wrapped around her fist. Boom. Sorry, I had to make sound effects. Don't judge me.
Okay, well, I hope you guys like that highlight. I mean, of course, we all want to see the dragon win, but hey, Alexxa does fight good. I mean, well, you know, wrestle good. I mean, I don't hate on her. I'm not trying to. If anyone thinks in my highlight videos that I'm hating, I'm not. It's just, of course, you know, people want good people to win, you know. But who knows?
One day.
Yeah, one day. I mean, the dragon has, you know, beat her a couple times. I mean, I do remember that. But, let's see. Well, Alexxa did win. By a bad way, but what can we do about it? You know? Well, I mean, any more thoughts? Since it was, like, you know, your show? No?
Not at the moment, no.
No? Do you like the dragon?
Yeah.
Are these
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. You haven't heard him talk yet. You can hardly understand.
Well, I mean, he looks pretty cool. I mean, he's a freaking dragon.
Right? I mean,
He doesn't like dragons.
And then Jay Valentine, I mean, I'm so happy she's on the good side.
Yeah.
Alright, well, you guys, that's our highlight of the Dragon and Alexxa Flood match. And like we said, Alexxa won. Well, I don't know. Oh, yeah, the next show will be January 20th. Thank you. I won't be there, sadly, so I won't have any highlight videos of... Sorry. I won't have any highlight videos of those matches because I will be gone. I won't be able to go to that show, sadly. I'll possibly have one of my friends who does go to the shows every single time. He could possibly record some matches for me in that way, and I will, I'm actually going to give him a shout out in one of my other videos. I just don't know his YouTube name right now offhand. But he's a pretty cool kid. You guys subscribe to him, follow him, anything, everything. He's awesome. He helps me out with videos. Well, like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. My information is down below if you would like to go to a show. And I'll even put her information down because if you guys know my other YouTube account, it's ours. And
I'm actually starting out with my own one.
And I'll put hers down. Hers is pretty cool.
What to do on it, though.
Oh, no, don't listen to her.
Yeah.
But anyways, well, hope you guys like this highlight. Like, comment, subscribe for more. If you guys want to go to a show, just let me know. Next one is January 20th. Crossville, Illinois, 7 o'clock bell time. And I will, even though I'm not going, I will post a video of the roster card. I guess you could call it that. Whatever it's called. But anyways, well, hopefully you guys like this highlight, and we'll see you later.